Hello friends, I'm Dr. Gaurav Sharma, Assistant Professor in Political Science from DAV College, Amritsar. Today in this presentation, I'll be discussing upon United Nations Organization, its establishment, organs and specialized agencies. First of all, why United Nations was established? The possible reasons, the possible causes were the world witnessed devastating effects of wars, the World War I and the World War II, and realized the importance of world peace. With this same insight, the nations of the world envisaged the creation of an international platform or an organization which could save the world from future wars or probably the Third World War. This search for peace culminated in the formation of UNO, that is United Nations Organization, after World War II in 1945. Actually, prior to it and after the end of the First World War, an international organization, the League of Nations, was established on 10th of January 1920, which failed to maintain peace during the interwar period. So, there was a dire need of an international organization after the Second World War due to the failure of the League of Nations, which was established after the end of the First World War. So, some preliminary knowledge that we should all know, all the students should know about United Nations Organization. There are some bits. So basically abbreviated as UNO, United Nations Organization. It was established on 24th of October 1945 at San Francisco Conference, and its headquarters is at New York. Two personalities were instrumental in the establishment of United Nations. One was US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and the British Prime Minister. At that time, 50 countries were the founder members of United Nations and India. It was on 30th, India became the member on 30th of October 1945. India was one of the founder members of these 50 countries, and at present the total membership of the UN has increased to 193. There are 6 official languages recognized by the United Nations: Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish and Arabian. So, United Nations consists of 6 organs. The deliberative organ is the General Assembly, and its headquarters is at New York. Security Council is the second organ. It's also headquartered at New York. Then there is Economic and Social Council. It's also headquartered at New York. Trusteeship Council is there, similarly headquartered at New York. Secretariat, headquartered at New York. And ICJ, International Court of Justice, it is headquartered at The Hague, Netherlands. So United Nations, apart from these 6 main organs, also works with specialized agencies. So there are some important specialized agencies of United Nations. The ILO, International Labor Organization, then World Health Organization, the World Bank, WTO, World Trade Organization, UNESCO is there, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Then there is UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Then there is United Nations Environment Program. So basically, this test presentation, United Nations basically works to maintain international peace and security It has been the prime responsibility of the United Nations. During the past 73 years of its existence, it has done a valuable and commendable work in this direction. It has done a fairly good amount of work in the settlement of several controversies, which could have posed serious threats to world peace. Along with it, the United Nations has contributed greatly in the fields of decolonialization, environmental protection, human rights, disarmament, and even the tackling of global pandemics also. Thank you.